Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Chant and be happy. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Realize the potency of the God of light, the God of sound. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Enlist the divine qualities as you go about are between tasks. The adornment of devotees includes that of the transcendental. Nature will convey signs of danger from a distance. We may think out how opportunities were earned from the past. Some deaths are survivable in a way. Divine arrangement calls to the true identity, relating events of fire beings at the dawn and sunset, gangs special liberation. Those of different roles are to have different insignias. Divinely sanctioned power distinguishes the sent ones. Beauty and good character need united in festivals. Dawn and scent become essential aspects of worship when available. Guarding modesty before even one's own gender is part of angelically involved vows. The Devis are a lifestyle as such. One should strive to worship as business is performed with leisure. Not all rituals are for everyone. When there is no one else to, there is refuge to seek with divinity. The request of divinity can come through the ordinary. Light beings are not in charge of destiny. Some sacrifice and other worship is required to avoid the punishment or hardships. Worship of creations is an offense against more than divinity. Sacrifice and other rituals should be completed. Some, in their power, will consider themselves to be a god or goddess. Some ever think they are the only divinity, the only deity, the only God. So they become a demiurge in the truest sense. It's Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Chant and be happy. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Omnipresent, omnipotent, omniscient, all attractive, all pleasurable. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.